All right, cool. So I was just going through myself and I was trying to figure out how to get my headset audio included in my stream. And for some reason, I was on stream and started out with headset audio. And for some reason, I couldn't get it to work. And I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find anything to help. Everybody had long-winded videos about doing this, adding extra cables. I have Astro A50s, Gen 4 or 5, I don't know, whatever the new gen is. But this is the easiest way, and I literally mean the easiest and most simplest way to do it. You come in here, you come to OBS. This might also work for Stream Elements. I don't use Stream Elements, but I know they have similar settings. You come into your settings, you go to audio, and when I unplug my headset, typically I plug it into my Xbox, so it basically takes this away. But all you would have, so originally when you come into these settings, this desktop audio number 2 will be disabled. So like now, if I do it this way, I can still hear the desktop audio, but I come in here, go into settings, go to audio, add this in. So for me, headphones, Astro A50s is mine. That's for game. I click on this, I apply, I hit OK, I mute the second desktop audio, and boom, you're literally connected through your headset. Like I can literally show y'all, I can hear whatever is playing. Let me see, what do I have playing? I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. It's gonna echo a little bit just because I'm gonna put my headset over my microphone, but you'll see. So like if I can't really mute that, but you should be able to hear the double echo, and it's literally that simple. You can do it for any headphones so far. I tested these Astro A50s and a set of Bluetooth headphones I have, and they work fairly well. And both of them recorded audio just by adding a second desktop audio. Thank you for watching, and of course, if you like it, tell a friend to tell a friend, share it around and pass it around. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more. I hope it was simple and easy for y'all. Thank you.